Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. Hope you have attempted all your these periodic one exams very well. So today we'll be starting with fourth chapter, that is physical education and sports for children with special needs, Divyang. So beta, I will be discussing about this topic as a first introductory part will be discussed, like what do you mean by children with special needs. Children with special needs means he might be having disability or disorder means mentally disorder or any kind of ailment which is restricting him to do any type of work, or we can say that it's a lack of capacity of doing any work कि कोई चीज़ वो तो पूरी तरह नहीं हो सकती जो आम नॉर्मल इंसान कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So government is taking lot of initiative, is doing lot of effort to educate people that they are same human beings like normal. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो भी रब दे जाए आ, वो भी इस दुनिया ते आए आ, रब ने उन्हां च जोत दित्ती है ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਉਹ जग ते आए आ. नहीं तो बंदा मरिया भी पैदा हो सकता है. ठीक है जी. कहते हैं महाराज कहते ना रब ने जोत भरी है तुहाडे च ਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ जग च आए ਤੇ ਜੇ ਜੋਤ ਨਾ ਤਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਈਵਨ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਆਰ ਬੋਰਨ ਡੈਡ. ठीक है जी. So in many countries in the world, special education, these people are, there are special departments in schools in foreign countries, and they lay proper emphasis on teaching them normal like normal human beings. They teach them behavior therapies or different people so that they can live in this world properly like normal people are living. ठीक है जी. So ailment can be small or it can be severe also. ठीक है जी. So many kind of problems are there, disorder, disability, like what. So we'll be discussing this thing. So I have gone through these topics earlier also. Doctor says that there is no such reason कि why this thing is occurring, कि why the child is suffering from ADHD or autism or ODD, many of the disabilities or disorders you will be studying in this chapter. There is no such reason. Few reasons are mentioned कि mother might be in stress during time of pregnancy or अपना lack of diet during the time of pregnancy. ठीक है. Child is born prematurely means before 9 months, or lack of oxygen during the time of birth means बच्चा रोया ही नहीं. ठीक है जी. So these types of things might happen. ठीक है जी. So these types of things are growing also. Earlier it was, but it was not known earlier. The basic thing is that now though they have, why they have introduced this chapter in your syllabus due to this reason कि you should treat these ਜਿਹੜੇ disorder ਆ ਜਾਂ disabled ਲੋਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ properly treat ਕਰੋ. Don't treat them like odds ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ mentally retarded ਹੈ ਜਾਂ autistic ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ADHD ਹੈ. No, they also need your love. ठीक है जी. So you must take care of them very carefully. If any person known in your family or known in your neighbor, or you should take care of these students very carefully. You should love them. ठीक है जी. Like what, there is one Red Cross, there is one institution in Red Cross, and many of the students, these children, they live in that Red Cross hostel. They are suffering from these types of problems, disability or disorders. ठीक है जी. Means they are taught over there. There is one B.Ed also of special education based on this. ठीक है. So I'll go through it once. In the present world, most of the people are suffering from hypertension, stress on side of serious depression on the other side. There is something missing, low level of physical fitness in every home, everywhere, disability and disorder which can be diagnosed by different physical activities by giving knowledge about physical education. ठीक है. So next topic is concept of disability and disorder. What do you mean by disability? Disability is lack of capacity to do any type of work. Disability means lack of capacity to do any type of work, like what the person leg is not proper working, his arm is not working, ठीक है जी, he is suffering from polio or any kind of disability which he has acquired from birth, ठीक है जी. So disability is an impairment that may be cognitive, development, intellectual, mental, physical, sensory or some combination of these, ठीक है जी. So the disadvantage of disability is that it restricts the function of movement of a person. Sometimes it restricts the function and movements of the person कि बंदा तुर नहीं सकता, चंगी तरह बैठ नहीं सकता और कई तरह के जिवें गेम्स नॉर्मल बच्चे खेडते और नहीं खेड सकता. It is associated with body parts like the person can't see properly, not seeing बल्कि he is blind, ठीक है, he can't speak, he can't hear from birth, ठीक है जी, और speaking learning disabilities. So these kinds of disabilities are there. So it subsequently affects the person life activities and may be present from birth to occurs during person lifetime. It may with the help of aids a person can live properly, but it can go with him for his entire life. ठीक है जी. So I'll give you one example. Let me just go through it once. When a child is sound, unfit to do a particular type of work, it is a condition of disability. The kind of disability may be due to any disease or accident or congenital means by birth. Some people acquire these types of disability from birth. कि बाँह छोटी है, लत छोटी है, या किसी तरह. Many children are handicapped and because of their physical capacity decreases. The handicapped children fall a prey of emotional, social and academic maladjustment. कि people say that ये तो यार ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ है, तो लत खराब है, people laugh on them, but we should not do it like that. ठीक है. Now if you go, now the Paralympics are there, Asian Games are there, of state level, international level of competition are held for disabled people. ठीक है. Competition, the world that is taking lot of initiative, ठीक है जी, to help these people so that they can also live like normal human beings. ठीक है जी. So physical defective child is handicapped in one way or other, but is basically like other children, leaving one aspect. It is this way he is normal child with special problem. So I'll give you one example. In this line it is said कि they are lacking in one or odd thing. Suppose I'll give you one example of a blind person. ठीक है जी. There was one person working at Red Cross. अपने तो Red Cross है near that canals. Every day he used to come from that Red Cross and he used to reach bus stand. And bus stand is nearly about 2.5 kilometers from that. He used to come by walking. ਦੇ ਰੱਬ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਖੋਂਦਾ ਨਾ ਬੇਟੇ ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਦਿੰਦਾ. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਜੱਜਮੈਂਟ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ, ਕਦਮ ਗਿਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ. He used to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 100 or 150 steps, he used to turn कि ਕਨਾਲਸ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜਾਣਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. I watched him. ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਪੈਲੇਸ ਹੈ, I was there, but ਉਹਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਤੁਰਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਾਰ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਦਾ. He used to come from Firozpur. Like what? कि I've seen कि वो चले गए चले he reached bus stand with full traffic on. जे रिक्शा लैंड ਜਾਂ ਨਾ ਲੈਣ, but ਉਹ ਗਏ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟ ਉਹ ਬੱਸ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਖੜ ਗਏ. ਉਹ ਤੇ ਡਿਵਾਈਡਰ ਸੀ. ठीक है. उन्होंने क्रॉस किया, एक ही गल पूछी, ये बस फिरोजपुर जाएगी क्या? हाँ, हो गया फिरोजपुर जाओगी. एंड देखो ही रीच्ड बस स्टैंड with crossing, बल्कि he had gone for 2.5 kilometers. He had reached bus stand from his that college or institution. ठीक है जी. Means and there are seats reserved for them and they are being given a particular seat. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲੀਆਂ 3 seats ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ disabled ਲੋਕਾਂ ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ. No one is supposed to sit there. ਜੇ ਕੋਈ disabled ਆਉਂਦਾ, you are supposed to give him or her seat. So ਰੱਬ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਦਿੰਦਾ. ਦੇਖੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ, ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਪੀਪਲ ਫਰੋਮ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਐਂਡ ਫਰੋਮ ਹਾਰਟ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੋਚ ਬੜੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, ਉਹ ਗਲਤ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਲਤ। ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾਰਮਲ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਹਜੇ ਗਲਤ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਬਟ ਇਹ ਲੋਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦੇ। ਇਹ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਓਨੈਸਟ ਫਰੋਮ ਦੇਅਰ ਹਾਰਟ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਬੇਈਮਾਨੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਦੇ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਦੇ ਥਿੰਕ ਫਰੋਮ ਹਾਰਟ, देयर माइंड इज वेरी फ्रेश, ठीक है जी। For a child is equivalent or ordinary children in education, but due to physical ability he cannot pick up his bag. Being unable to pick up bag, it is disability. It may be due to general weakness or polio, etc. So they say that child can be very intelligent. Child में बारो दी लत खराब है, but he is very intelligent. The physical defective child should be treated in some way of normal children. In family and school, he should be provided all possible facilities and services. The members of the family or teachers should know how not look upon the child inferior to other children. They should not make fun of these people. They should treat them like equal ki duje jiਵੇਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਬੈਠੇ। They should rather help them so that he should not go in depression। ਤੇ ਉਹ ਆਪ ਲੱਗਾਵੇ ਕਿ why they are treating like that। ਜੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗਲਤ ਕਿਉਂ ਟ੍ਰੀਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। So meaning lack of capacity to do any type of work is called disability. In other words, we can say such a state in which human being is incapable of doing any type of work is called state of disability. So next is concept of disorder. First we have discussed about disability. Next is disorder. Disorder can be considered as mentally disorder also. Ki person can be suffering from ADHD or autistic or ODD or many disabilities are disorders are mentioned in your book. So these people they face many difficulties to cope up with these normal people. But I told you that government has opened, they are giving such a facilities to them. Even the people are doing 10th, they are given they have passed out 10th and they are giving a lot of advantages to these people so that they can lead a normal life and they can compete with other world. Like what I have seen, एक program आ रहा है सत्यमेव जयते, आमिर खान used to host. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ blind ਸੀ, ਦੇਖੋ, he was a blind and he was working in IIT. He was a good typist. ਦੇਖੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਭਾਈ ਲਖਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ, ਰਾਗੀ ਨੇ, ਹਜੂਰ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਗੀ, he is a blind, ਪਰ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਲਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਰੂਹ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਫ਼ ਸੁਥਰੀ, ਗਲਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਫ਼ ਗਲਾ। He sings like anything. ਇੰਨੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਆ, ਇੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ, ਬਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਲਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ, ਉਹ ਤਬਲਾ ਵਜਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਹਾਰਮੋਨੀਅਮ ਵਜਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਰੱਬ ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀ, ਐਵਰੀ ਪਰਸਨ ਇਜ਼ ਬੋਰਨ ਵਿਦ ਵਨ ਟੈਲੈਂਟ। ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅਪ ਟੂ ਯੂ। ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੇਂਟਿੰਗ ਚੰਗੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਾਕ ਚੰਗੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਯੂ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਟੇਕ ਆਊਟ, ਐਵਰੀ ਪਰਸਨ ਇਜ਼ ਬੋਰਨ ਵਿਦ ਅ ਸਪਾਰਕ, ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਗੀ ਅਬਿਲਿਟੀ, ਤੇ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਸੋ disorder can be defined as disruption caused to normal function of the person. A physical order is often used to term as contract to a mental disorder. Attempt to differentiate medical disorders have been available mechanical tests such as chemical tests and brain scans. From these disorders we can know laboratory imaging tests that diagnose only a behavior syndrome. I'll let you know that now the technology has gone up to so much level that before birth of a child you can come to know that whether the brain of a child is working properly or not. Many types of tests are there, Fisheries test, ठीक है जी, amniocentesis test, but these are expensive tests. But now these days many doctors are going through these tests so that they should see about the health of a mind, health, brain, health of brain, कि what kind of whether brain of child is fully developed or not. ठीक है जी। Differentiating the physical disorders from mental disorders can be difficult problem to both medicine and law, most notably because it develops into deep issues and very old and unsolved arguments in philosophy and religion. Many materialistic believe that all mental disorders or physical disorders are some kind of test for them is not yet developed. Psychiatrists take a position that some or malmentened may be seen anguishly and information level of programming in the computer. In this case, all the disorders are associated with physical changes in the brain. Some recognized physical disorders produce significant behavior changes. For example, fever, head trauma, hypotension and delirium. Many kind of problems can, if the child is very small, like 2 years, 3 years or 1.5 years, and he has got a fever, वो fever इतना ज़्यादा होगा, brain ਨੂੰ चढ़ गया, oxygen घट गई, it can lead to this kind of problem. ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ behavior change ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, brain 'ਚ disorder ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਸੱਟ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, like what the person has got through head injury, accident ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਸੱਟ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ, ਉਹਦੀ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਇਆ, ਨਾਰਮਲ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਿਰ ਦਾ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਇਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਰੇਅਰ ਚਾਂਸ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਹੈਡ ਦੇ brain surgery goes very well. ठीक है, so there can be a many reasons why this types of disability and disorders occur. So today we have discussed about two things, disability and disorders. So go through it once. It's a very simple normal topics. Let's go through it once so that we can cover this. ठीक है, so thank you very much.